Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your project status with Asana step by step clearly. Open Asana and log into your account. Locate the project you want to verify. Click on the project name to access the project dashboard. Once in the project view, review the project details at the top. Check the status summary section for an overview. Examine each task listed under the project. Click on a task to view its specific details. Confirm completion status for each task. Look for any comments or updates in the task discussion. If your project has sections, review each section for progress. Check for any due dates approaching for individual tasks. Review the assigned team members for accountability. Confirm if any tasks are overdue or at risk of being late. Utilize the progress chart to visualize project status. If applicable, explore the timeline view for a broader perspective. Adjust any tasks as needed based on your review. Save any changes before exiting the project. Return to your dashboard to have a summary view of all project statuses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.